All right, time for some birthdays this morning. We begin with Josh Layson in Columbus, celebrating birthday number 6. Happy birthday, Josh.
And next we have Keegan Ellison, who's turning 13 from Carl Junction. And there's a note, and it says, quite the catch, 15 were caught, 10 are shown, 5 could not fit in the picture.
That is an impressive catch, Keegan.
Yes.
Happy birthday. We've also got Trey Shaw celebrating birthday number 45. Very happy birthday to you, Trey.
Jim Jarvis turning 53 from Girard. Happy birthday.
We got Gary Wilson over in Joplin celebrating birthday number 80. A very happy birthday to you.
And another one turning 80, Joyce Forrest from Scammon.
And we've got Georgiana Wybera celebrating number 90 in Joplin. Says she loves watching Westerns with Dale Robertson, with love from Nick and Teresa. Happy birthday.
Okay, we have Pauline Flores. She's turning 91 years young from Fredonia.
And Jay and Kendra Clements celebrating their 8th wedding anniversary today. Very happy anniversary to the Clements.
Happy anniversary to Charlie and Ashley from Columbus. They're celebrating their 18th anniversary.
And we've got another one in Thayer. Brad and Lisa Johnson celebrating 14 years of wedded bliss. Happy anniversary rather, going out to the Johnsons.
And then we have Teresa Wren. Happy birthday from Pittsburgh.
And in Altamont, Carol Regis celebrating a birthday today as well. So that was a good mix of birthdays and anniversaries. And we love celebrating with you as much as you love celebrating with us. Carrie, where do they need to send their celebrations so we can all celebrate together?
They need to send their celebrations to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
All right, make sure you get that in there. And you know what? When you're on our website, checking out all the cool stuff that's over there, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses, and the best part of all, I think, you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.